So welcome once again to your English literature class. And my name is Sanjana Sinha, and I'll be taking your classes from today. So let us go straight ahead with one question which I would like to ask you. What is the importance of studying literature? How it is going to, the second question, how will it help you? Or if it is going to help you, how? What is the importance of English literature? Anybody can answer this question.
पैसा कमाने के लिए इंग्लिश लिटरेचर बहुत जरूरी है। नौकरी में इंग्लिश खोजता।
वाह भाई।
Whatever you
और
answer
तो कोई
it,
चाहत है इसमें नहीं।
or I would like to tell you, you have to speak English, no? The question was in English. So what is the importance of English literature?
Yes, ma'am.
How does it help you?
Well, money and no other thing.
It will only, okay, only money, nothing else.
Money.
Literature is important to discipline.
Okay, literature is important for discipline. Okay, I want more answers.
Literature is important for proper communication. Know about our cultural.
Is this a Machli Bazaar or something? Please raise your hand, speak at a time, no? One at a time. So
Okay.
Somebody said something. Divyanshu, you were saying something. What is the importance of studying literature? If at all it is important, how? Yes, somebody was saying something.
Important for the, ma'am, it is important for the proper communication and removing the lack of public and increasing the lack of public confidence, any proper communication with the contact of public, eye contact, and
It's
so
not a
many more.
literature, it's a grammar.
All right. Yes.
Through literature, it's also improved the communication also.
Hello. Do not overlap. Do not overlap. When somebody is talking, these are the etiquette and manners. When somebody is talking, you keep quiet and listen. If you will not listen to the person who is talking, so nobody's going to listen to you. So when somebody is talking, the manners say that listen. Yeah. Yes, Mukul, you want to say, you were saying something.
इंग्लिश लिटरेचर मैम हिस्ट्री इंग्लिश के हिस्ट्री के बारे में बताता है.
It tells you about the history. Okay.
History of English.
History of English. Okay. So how is it important to you? Why is it important for you to read stories and poetries and prose other people have written for you?
मैम इससे मतलब हिस्ट्री में जैसे कोई भी इंसान कुछ फील किया है तो वो अपने शब्दों में एक्सप्रेस किया और हम लोग को बता रहा है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Okay, it is important for. Okay, I will not answer the question. Yes, Ruchi, you want to ask the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, English literature is important for students. It broadens their minds, develops emotional skills, improve the quality of life.
Very good.
Providing job opportunities.
Okay. When you study literature, you learn to analyze. You learn to think. This is the technical point. Why you study literature? It develops your. Everybody, please mute. If you can, if you want to answer, raise your hands. Otherwise, rest of you stay muted. So literature helps you to broaden your horizon. You start thinking about something. You start thinking about a problem. You start knowing the society. Because whatever the stories that are there, it is based on some experience, somebody's experience. Like you studied in the Postmaster by Rabindranath Tagore, the greatest of all Indian writers. You read about his story. You read about him also. You read about him, how he weaved, how he created stories. It was purely based on his experiences. Whatever he saw, he put that down in his writing. We know of that time, the time when he wrote the stories, the Postmaster. It writes about, he wrote about, the story speaks about an orphan girl, and how an orphan girl was an illiterate person, and why is it impossible? Why is it possible? Why is it impossible for the postmaster to take her along with him? Because at that time, the society would not have accepted. Adoption was not accepted at that time. Now it is. So many students today, they feel that the postmaster was a very cruel person. He left her crying. He left her all shattered. He was not kind to that girl. And then because she looked after the postmaster when he was not well. So she did a lot of things for the postmaster. But when he had to go, he left her crying. He left her hopeless. So many students today say that the postmaster, when they are writing about the character of the postmaster, the first line which I always read, the first line which I have read in so many students' assignments, the postmaster was a very cruel person. So he left the girl crying. So you learn about those times. In those times, adoption was including somebody in the family who is not your blood relation was quite was impossible. So you learn a lot of things of their times when you study the postmaster, when you study the drama, The Merchant of Venice. You will see what went on and how things happened. What was their language? You learn language. You learn expressions, how they have expressed, how they have created a story. And believe me, students of literature, students who've been studying literature, they come out to be better speakers because they read a lot. They because it is in their course, they are made to read, and they develop a habit of reading stories. Reading stories is far interesting, and when you read stories, you become a better communicator because you've studied it. Now, if I ask you to say something about, give me the story, tell me the story of the postmaster, or tell me the story of the selfish giant. So you will know your content. Oh, this is the content, I want to say it. And you can similarly, you can you can develop your content. Number one thing, you can improve your English. Number two, the most important thing is you you make a habit of reading, understanding the characters, why this happened, why that happened. You start thinking, you start analyzing, you program yourself, and you start thinking. Your imagination goes wild. आप imagine करना शुरू कर देते हैं, फिर आप anyway, I don't know, many people have started writing, budding writers, वो दूसरों को देख देख के वो लिखना शुरू करते हैं. They are inspired, they are motivated. Creativity, exactly. When you read a story, you want to also write a story. Okay, the postmaster ended the Rabindranath ended the story like this. I would like to end it in a different way. And these are the assignments students have been doing. And for the all-round development of personality, students at Simaj, they have enacted. Students have taken part in skits and dramas based on every story that you read, every poetry that was in this in the courseware, because they wanted to develop their skills. So they made their own dialogues. Look, I'll be the postmaster. Some girl said, I'll be Ratan. And they started conversing. They made assignments for themselves. They coordinated. It was a complete group work. And then they showed in the Saturday activity club. They have enjoyed the literature class so much. They have हर एक स्टोरी को लेके वो लोग क्लास में ड्रामा करते थे. अब कोई पोस्ट मास्टर बना, कोई रतन बन गया. फिर एक लड़की कोई बोली कि आई विल बी रतन एंड आई विल बी टेलिंग माय स्टोरी. तो वो रतन बन के वो सामने स्टेज पोडियम पे आई एंड इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल उसका परफॉर्मेंस था. वो अपनी तरफ से कहानी कर रही थी. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ratan. I am alone in this life, but I am very happy that there is a new postmaster who is a very kind person. I like to work for him. तो वो अपने मन से वो कहानी बना रही है. creative. They become so creative. उसी तरह से selfish giant में. Somebody was a selfish giant. Some students were the children. This is my giant. This is my garden. I'm the selfish giant, and they started a mono acting. So, literature class, personally, I'm telling you from my experience, students have enjoyed because they have enacted each story, each poetry. अब आपने पढ़ा
Yeah,
है
ma'am.
O to the West Wind. So there were assignments like supposing you are P.B. Shelley. आपने पढ़ा होगा वो पोएट्री Love by George Herbert.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
George Herbert's love is only about conversation with God. So somebody became God and somebody became George Herbert. उसमें क्या था? George Herbert is being invited by the Almighty God. He's inviting, come my child,
Yes.
come.
Yes.
And George Herbert is saying, no, I can't.
Oh, no, I
He is going back. So I have seen all this in class. Somebody and the George Herbert is going back. I can't come. I'm a bad person. I have done so many wrong things. I cannot come.
Yeah, ma'am.
So this is a complete dialogue. And there were groups of students, A, B, C, D group. अब ये 4 ग्रुप में से हर किसी ने परफॉर्म किया. कोई भी स्टोरी छूटा नहीं होगा जिसमें लोग चाहे सीरियस स्टोरी हो या फिर द पोस्ट मास्टर हो या फिर सेकेंड ईयर में जितने भी हैं. इवन ऐसे दे हैव डन. जैसे आपका
Yes,
ऐसे है इंडिया अगेन. अब इंडिया अगेन is a very beautiful essay, and it has been taken from the broadcast of the writer Edward Morgan Foster, and it is all about his experience when he came to India, all about his experience, about what he saw in India and what were the changes that he saw. Even the essay was enacted by students. Students used to come up, okay, I am Edward Morgan Foster, and he's talk about his experience. So you will have to make the class interesting by I've told you so many examples of students have worked wonders, and especially students, especially the BBM students, they were very, very, very active in classroom. And you know, they used to हर poetry की, हर story की लोग अपने खुद बना लेते थे drama. Even आपके जॉन कीट्स का जो आप पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, O to Nightingale, वो भी उन्होंने एक्टिंग किया, मोनो एक्टिंग, because it's only about, yeah, what's that? So the फायदे लिटरेचर के बहुत हैं, ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए,
मैम जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए.
job, they were so confident, they were so smart. Students who were participating, they became all rounders. And then when you're performing on stage in front of your classmates, when you're performing on the when you're at the podium, the first time your legs will shake. तो लोगों ने कहा है पहली बार जब मैं बुलाई थी तो बिल्कुल पैर कांप रहा था, मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा था. उसके बाद तो there is no looking back. एक बार जब आप आके परफॉर्म करना शुरू कर देते हैं, then you will be addicted. तो मुझे कहना पड़ता था नहीं, अब different persons will coordinate.
Confidence high level हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल. So so the literature is a beautiful thing to study, and that is why people study Vivekananda's कोई भी किसी का भी किताब उठा लीजिए, क्यों लोग पढ़ते हैं? मोटिवेशन के लिए, इंस्पिरेशन के लिए. रीडिंग इज अ ब्यूटीफुल हैबिट. और कोई पढ़ते तो है नहीं. अब क्लास में आपको सिलेबस में है तो आपको पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. तो why not study with happiness? Because when you are happy, you learn the most. अब सिर पे भार है, बाप रे, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. अगर आपको हाँ,
मैम होता है बर्डन कभी-कभी.
हाँ, नहीं बर्डन नहीं होगा जब आप हर लेसन को डिसाइड करेंगे हमको इसको परफॉर्म करना है.
यस मैम.
ठीक है,
प्यार से पढ़ेंगे उसको अच्छे.
और आप बहुत जितने भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं जिनके भी, दे आर ऑल वेरी फेमस राइटर्स, रिनोन्ड राइटर्स। और इनकी चीजों को पढ़ना तो इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग टू स्टडी लिटरेचर, to read good books. That is why it is in your syllabus. And one thing which I have, I'm telling you once again, one thing which I'm telling you from my experience is that students who are learning literature, they become better speakers. They become better speakers. They become more confident. They become
They become a
extroverts.
writers.
No. And some of them turn out to be a writer. Okay. Now, I was just discussing today the highlights of why literature is important. It is of great importance. And let us go down and take a look at Edward Morgan's Foster, India Again. So India Again is taken from a broadcast from from BBC when Foster came to India and returned in 1945. He returned, and then there was a broadcast on BBC, and this India Again has been taken from that broadcast. It is all about his experiences, as I said. His experience when he came to India, first time when he came to India, it was to visit his friend. His friend's name was Masood, whom he had met in Cambridge. And then he had invited Foster to come to India, and he had come to India once, twice, and then he was he fell in love with India. He says, I love India. He used to say, I love India. And he wanted to come again and again. That is why the topic India Again. The again specifies the meaning why. It specifies that yes, Edward Morgan Foster was one person who was fascinated with India, the Indian people. He wanted to know how they think, what are their thought process, what is the culture, the languages, the food, the people, India as on a whole, the religious people, everything, the good, the bad, the beautiful, the ugly. So he wanted to explore, he
Excuse
wanted
me,
to know
ma'am.
everything about India.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to improve communication skills?
We'll discuss that later on. Today, today I'm discussing India Again. So listen about India Again. Before going straight into the subject, I would like to give you a little bit of introduction about India Again and why Edward Morgan Foster was so much fascinated by the Indian culture. The Indian music, the Indian culture, the Indian festivals, everything was so fascinating, fabulous, with the rich culture. So he came once and he was like, यहाँ आके यहीं के हो गए. And his writing, he wrote so many stories about India, essays, stories. He also wrote a story about Vaishno Devi, the Devi of the hills. He wrote about that. So imagine a Britisher who comes down to India, falls in love with India, and says, coming home, it is like coming home. So first time when he came on a pleasure trip. He wanted to meet his friend because his friend had invited him, come and see India. And then he came for the second time also he came. The third time he came in 1945. And then he saw a lot of changes. The whole story, let me put it as a story. The whole story is about the three changes that Edward Morgan saw when he came to India for the third and the last time. The first change was that he was invited for the pen club. He was being invited. He had been invited for in a pen club. Pen club was a writers' conference, a writers' workshop conference, the Progressive English Network conference, and he was invited. The conference was at Jaipur. So he had come to that conference, and in that conference, people spoke about literature. People spoke about Sahitya, literature, art, culture. So, but the third time when he came, he was greatly surprised. For one reason, that people were not talking about art, people were not talking about the stories they had written, anything about literature or anything about art or culture. But yes, they were hotly discussing politics. The first change. When he wanted to talk to them on the agenda, let us get back to the agenda of this is a literary club. So let us talk about the pen club. But then everybody was so much interested in politics. They were keenly discussing. They were very much interested in just one subject, and that was one topic which was hotly discussed in those days was politics. So, and when he tried to divert their attention, let us talk about the agenda. Nobody listened to him. किसी ने उनकी बात सुनी ही नहीं. And they went on discussing about politics. So he was a little surprised. This was not the India that he saw. This was not the pen club which used to be. Pen club तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ करता था. The first change. So he was a little taken aback, shocked, surprised. And then when he came out of the club, he saw that he felt, and in his writing, he said, India externally remains the same kind of people, the same heat, the same summer, Indian summer, the same field, the same poverty, सब कुछ तो वही था, कुछ भी नहीं बदला था. क्या बदला था लेकिन? Externally, India was the same. Nothing had changed. He was traveling by trains. He saw the same old dirty trains, and throughout and through the windows, उसने देखा कि dust पूरा पड़ा हुआ window में, and he saw the fields, the people, Indian people.
मैम किसका स्टोरी बता रहे हैं?
स्टोरी नहीं बता रहे, हम बता रहे ऐसे सेक्शन इंडिया अगेन. तुम अगर अभी सो के उठे हो तब तो तुम बहुत कुछ मिस करके.
मैम कुछ हिंदी भी बोल दीजिए.
कनेक्ट हो गया था मैम, नेट नहीं चल रहा है बारिश के कारण, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
तो हिंदी भी तो बता ही रहे ना आपको, हिंदी तो बता ही रहे. अभी आपको आई एम गिविंग द इंट्रोडक्शन, तो ठीक है हिंदी में बता रहे. तो एडवर्ड मॉर्गन इंडिया आए, 3 बार आए. पहली बार जब वो आए थे तो उनके दोस्त ने इनवाइट किया था. उनके दोस्त का नाम था मसूद, जिनसे वो मिले थे कैम्ब्रिज में, और उनको इनवाइट किया गया था इंडिया में. और ये पेन क्लब एक कॉन्फ्रेंस था जिसमें वो इनवाइटेड थे, जिसके लिए वो आते थे इंडिया. तो पेन क्लब में साहित्यिक विचार होती थी, गोष्ठी विचार, चर्चा साहित्य के बारे में, आर्ट के बारे में, कल्चर के बारे में. लेकिन जब थर्ड टाइम जब वो 1945 में आते हैं तो उन्होंने देखा कि साहित्य के बारे में कोई चर्चा नहीं हो रही है, कोई आर्ट एंड कल्चर के बारे में कोई चर्चा नहीं हो रही है. चर्चा क्या हो रही है, किस बात पे हो रही है? पॉलिटिक्स पे हो रही है. और इंडिया अगेन में 3 चेंजेस उन्होंने देखा जिसके बारे में ये लिखे हुए हैं. तो पहला चेंज था, पीपल वर टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स इंस्टेड ऑफ art and culture. He noted that externally, बाहर से इंडिया बदला नहीं है, बाहर से इंडिया इज द सेम, लेकिन लोगों के विचार बदल रहे हैं.
देखने का नजरिया मैम.
Yes, the people were changing, the people's thinking process that was changing. उनकी सोच बदल रही है.
क्या होता है मैम?
सोचने का, अच्छा उस लड़की ने कहा नजरिया.
अरे सोचने का तरीका सबका
तरीका
अलग अलग होता है.
अच्छा,
अरे उसी को वो बोलते हैं.
ओके
मैम सोचने का तरीका या देखने का तरीका?
सोचने का भी हो सकता है, देखने का भी हो सकता है. जैसे एक ग्लास है,
थिंकिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड है तुम्हारे.
All right, don't disturb me.
ओके मैम, ओके.
So he saw the first change, and then he wrote down. Then he made a point. Externally, India is the same. वैसे ही गंदगी, वैसे ही गर्मी, वैसे ही लोग, वैसे ही पॉवर्टी, वैसे ही गरीबी, सब कुछ वैसे ही है, कुछ भी तो नहीं बदला, लेकिन लोगों की सोच बदल रही है. The second change which he saw was the uplifting of पर्दा system. पर्दा system क्या होता है? जब वो पहले आते थे तो देखते थे कि औरतें बाहर नहीं निकलती, पर्दे में रहती, लेकिन जब थर्ड टाइम वो
घूंघट लगा के
देख रहे
रहती
थे
हैं।
तो हाँ, तो वो ये उन्होंने देखा कि पर्दा सिस्टम खत्म हो रहा है. The uplifting of पर्दा system, which he thought it was very good. इसलिए कि किसी भी देश के प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए, फ्रीडम के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि औरतों को फ्रीडम मिलना चाहिए. And the uplifting of पर्दा system was, हाँ, that was the second change which he saw, and he said he was very happy. In the first change he was not happy that people were talking about politics. Yeah, but the second change was a welcome change. Okay, चलो अब तो किसी भी प्रोग्रेस कर सकती हैं लोग, औरतें भी इक्वली एजुकेटेड हैं, एंड दे स्पोक वेरी गुड इंग्लिश. और कभी कभी तो वो बोलते थे कि पेन क्लब में ज्यादा आउटनंबर करती थी, मेन कम रहते थे और विमेन ज्यादा रहती थी.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was a welcome change, that yes, for any nation to be, if the women gender equality अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर it is a distant dream. मतलब कि फिर तो बहुत मुश्किल होगी और फ्रीडम नहीं मिल पाएगा जहाँ पर औरतों को फ्रीडम नहीं मिलता वहाँ.
Freedom नहीं मिल पाता.
Okay, this was the second change. And the third change was the buffet system. What is buffet system? क्या होता है बुफे
भिखारी
सिस्टम?
सिस्टम मैम, प्लेट खाना मैम.
अगर नहीं आता तो जवाब दिया मत करो. बेतुकी बातों के लिए सुनने के लिए कोई आपके स्टूडेंट्स आपके क्लासरूम में नहीं, कोई बैठा हुआ नहीं है, क्योंकि हंसी मजाक ठिठोली का भी समय नहीं है.
मैम वेस्टर्न ट्रेंड को फॉलो किया गया था इसमें,
हेलो.
बुफे सिस्टम. मैम वेस्टर्न ट्रेंड को फॉलो किया गया था बुफे सिस्टम में.
हाँ, तो बुफे सिस्टम
जहाँ
क्या
पे
होता है?
मैम
बुफे सिस्टम वाज अ वेलकम चेंज. आई होप
किसी
एवरीबडी
event पे
नोज बुफे सिस्टम क्या होता है, जहाँ पर टेबल पार्टीज वगैरह में आप
मैम
देखते हैं
अपने
अपने मन से आप
मर्जी से
खा
कोई
सकते हो,
लोग
अपने
शादी में जो
मर्जी से
नहीं
खा
होता
सकते हैं
है
आप.
मैम,
हाँ,
बुफे.
जैसे कोई
यस
चीज
मैम,
आपको पसंद नहीं आप नहीं खाएंगे, जो पसंद है वही लेंगे. तो
Yes, ma'am.
कितना
एडवर्ड
खाना है कितना नहीं खाना.
एडवर्ड मॉर्गन फॉस्टर के लिए बहुत, ये तो सबसे बेटर, सबसे अच्छा चेंज मिला, द बेस्ट चेंज विच यू सॉ. इसलिए कि पहले जब आया करते थे तो जिसके घर में भी वो इनवाइटेड होते थे, द होस्ट अब 10-15 तरह की चीजों को बनाते थे वो लोग, और सारी चीजें प्लेट में हुआ करती थी, और जाहिर बात है कि वो नहीं खा पाते थे और छोड़ना भी मुश्किल था उनके लिए, और वो
Yes,
सब
ma'am.
खाना पड़ता था. इसलिए कि इट इज वेरी रूड कि आप किसी के घर में
खाना
गए
भी
हैं
वेस्ट हो
और
जाता था.
आप वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो
Yes, ma'am.
उनको खाना पड़ता था. तो एडवर्ड मॉर्गन लिखते हैं कि दैट वाज अ वेरी पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंस, कि सब कुछ खाना पड़ रहा है. और यहाँ पर जब देखा कि चलो, जब थर्ड टाइम जब देखा कि अरे तो बुफे सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि चलो अब जहमत नहीं उठानी पड़ेगी, जो दिल में चाहे मैं वो खा सकता हूँ. सो दीज वर द 3 चेंजेस व्हिच ही सॉ व्हेन ही केम टू इंडिया फॉर द थर्ड टाइम. The first change, the first time he came in 1912, 13, and then 1921, and the third time he came in 1945. So this was India again. Did you understand?
Yeah, ma'am.
And why have you all switched off your cameras? It means only one person is present today, Mukul. The rest of you are going to be marked absent today. And I really mean
नो
it.
मैम.
And I really mean it, no? So did you understand India again?
Yeah, ma'am.
I've told you the story in Hindi and English. अब raise your hand जिसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया है, raise your hands. अंकित कुमार. If you want to ask me any question, you can ask. नहीं तो फिर हम पूछेंगे क्वेश्चन तो जवाब देना पड़ेगा ना. Okay. You all understood? नेहा कुमारी.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many times he came to India? Edward Morgan
Ma'am,
Foster.
3 times.
Thrice he came to India. So why did he come to
Yes,
India?
ma'am.
Why did he come to India?
So, ma'am, for मैम वो घूमने के लिए आ रहे थे
First time घूमने आ
क्योंकि
रहे
उनको
थे. हाँ.
यस मैम
Because he was invited by Masood, whom he had met in Cambridge. पहली बार वो घूमने आया. Pleasure trip था उनका. Right?
यस मैम
And then he
फिर
came
मैम वो
Pen Club.
फिर मैम वो
Pen Club.
यस मैम
Pen Club में आते थे. तो what were the changes that he saw at the Pen Club में क्या देखा उन्होंने?
मैम उन्होंने ये देखा कि पहले वो जो इंडिया में आए थे तो उस समय यानी पर्दा सिस्टम हुआ करता था
नहीं नहीं
वुमेन
नहीं
बाहर
नहीं 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 नहीं. First change. What was
मैम
the
फर्स्ट चेंज मैम फर्स्ट चेंज था जब मैम फूड सिस्टम चेंज हुआ फूड सर्विंग सिस्टम चेंज
No
हुआ
no
था
no
वो।
no no no
मैम
no.
वो तो थर्ड है ना,
Yeah.
मैम दूसरा वाली बात
वोटिंग सिस्टम।
सभी लोग पॉलिटिक्स में आ गए।
सब पॉलिटिक्स पे बात करते थे।
पॉलिटिकल चेंज मैम
Political change? My God, no.
नो
मैम
मैम
लोग इंटरेस्ट
Okay, the first change, the people at the members of the Pen Club were discussing politics,
About politics.
not art and culture, not literature. The second change was the uplifting of Parda system.
वुमन को
Third change was
बफर
Buffer system.
बफर सिस्टम।
पहले वर्ड तो जान लीजिए ठीक से. बुफे, BUFFET, एक फ्रेंच वर्ड है और फ्रेंच का लास्ट कॉन्सोनेंट साइलेंट रहता है, साइलेंट टी है. BUFFET क्या बोलेंगे? बुफे. बुफे बुफे इंग्लिश वर्ड नहीं है, ये है फ्रेंच वर्ड. बुफे बुफे. Okay, that's it for today. All right, I need to take your attendance, please. Wait on.